Hello everyone, welcome back. This video lecture for class 7th subject science chapter number 2, that is nutrition in animals. So dear students, you might all have a thinking that why the ma'am this chapter is revising. Is it in? So the reason is because next month we are going to conduct a test, that is like unit test 3, and according to unit test 3 this chapter will be asked in the exam. So we are going for revision purpose, we are going to study this chapter for revision purpose. So let's start. First of all, we will discuss about facts that matter, isn't it? That means the important topics, the important fact related this chapter, that is nutrition in animals. So first of all, as here written is digestion. So we will discuss about the what is digestion. The main topic of this chapter, that is digestion, that means in animals how digestion process occurs. Whole chapter related with this thing, and which organs are helpful, which body parts are helpful in digestion process. These all we are going to discuss today. Later on we will discuss about frequently question asked which are asked in exams, isn't it? And then we will discuss long question answers. So first, digestion. As we all know, the what is the digestion? Whatever your nutrition we are having, we are getting all energy from these all nutrients. And which are these components? Like carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, है ना, minerals, roughage, water, all these are nutritions, isn't it? Nutrition, that means components of food. Now the question is, अब ये जो component हम eat कर रहे हैं, intake कर रहे हैं, है ना, these all components could be, these all component could be in complex form, है ना. सो जो भी हम फूड इंटेक कर रहे हैं उसके थ्रू जो हमारी बॉडी में न्यूट्रिशन जा रहे हैं, these all nutritions, or we can say these all components of food would be in a complex form. So what is the process of the digestion? Here we can see the breakdown of complex component food, isn't it? The breakdown of complex component food is called, sorry, the breakdown of complex component food into simpler and absorbable substance is called digestion, isn't it? मीन्स जो भी हम न्यूट्रिशन इनटेक कर रहे हैं वो डायरेक्टली डाइजेस्ट नहीं होते हैं, है ना. मिनरल, विटामिन, प्रोटीन्स जो भी हैं, जो भी फूड के थ्रू हमारी बॉडी में अंदर जा रहे हैं, दीज ऑल आर इन कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म. बट वी आवर बॉडी ऑर्गन्स, बाय आवर बॉडी ऑर्गन्स, दीज ऑल कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपोनेंट converted into simpler form, and this is the process only known as digestion, isn't it? This is the process which is known as digestion. Second point which is mentioned here, that is ingestion. What is that? That is ingestion. The process of taking food into the body is known as ingestion. Very simple. Whenever digestion process starts, it starts with mouth only, है ना. सबसे पहले फूड हम कहाँ पे पुट करते हैं, कहाँ पे रखते हैं? दैट पार्ट इज नोन एज माउथ. अब जब माउथ में हमने जो फूड रखा, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज इंजेशन, है ना. सबसे पहले जो हमने माउथ के अंदर फूड रखा, दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज इंजेशन. ओनली देन डाइजेशन प्रोसेस कैन बी कंप्लीट. डाइजेशन डायरेक्ट नहीं होगा. डाइजेशन के लिए हमारे पहले बॉडी में फूड तो इनटेक होना चाहिए ना, फूड इनटेक होना चाहिए. एंड दैट फूड इंटेक first process, when we are keeping food in our mouth, that process is called ingestion, ingestion. Okay. Third point of this chapter, that is absorption. Okay, that is absorption. The passage of digested food into the blood vessels is called absorption, isn't it? जो passage, जो particular place है जहाँ पे food का digestion हो रहा है, कहाँ वो food कहाँ पे digest हो रहा है, into blood vessels. That process is known as absorption of food. The process takes place in the small intestine in case of human being. That means हमारी body में we, है ना, हमारे सारे पर्सनस की बॉडी में जो फूड ये एब्जॉर्प्शन का प्रोसेस होता है, दैट कंप्लीट्स ओनली इन स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. ओके, वहीं पे सारे फूड न्यूट्रिएंट्स का एब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाता है, और वहीं पे फूड का न्यूट्रिशंस का एब्जॉर्प्शन हो जाने के बाद सारा फूड जो ब्लड में मिक्स हो जाता है, ब्लड वेसल में चला जाता है. दैट प्रोसेस इज नोन एज एब्जॉर्प्शन. राइट. Next point, that is assimilation. That is assimilation. So what is the assimilation? The process of food, the process in which the absorbed food is used for producing energy. जो हमारी बॉडी में फूड हमने जो इनटेक किया, जो एब्जॉर्ब हो गया, उसमें से क्या रिलीज होगा? एनर्जी. दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस है ना. द फूड वॉट एवर वी आर ईटिंग, फ्रॉम दैट type of food, from that components of food, our body produce energy and growth. Okay, that absorbed food हम क्या कर रहा है? प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है एनर्जी एंड ग्रोथ. This process is known as assimilation. Okay, this process is known as assimilation. The absorbed food component are transported by the blood vessels. That means already we discussed in absorption. जहाँ पे फूड एब्जॉर्ब हो गया, इट मीन्स स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, वहाँ से कहाँ ट्रांसफ़र होता है? ब्लड वेसल्स में, है ना. एंड दैट विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय द ब्लड वेसल्स टू डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स. ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू फिर अब कहाँ पे जाएगा? अलग अलग बॉडी पार्ट्स में, है ना. अलग अलग डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स, टिश्यूज एंड सेल्स तक भी वो ब्लड पहुँचेगा, जिसमें ऑलरेडी न्यूट्रिशन मिक्स हो चुके हैं. इजंट इट? जिसमें ऑलरेडी फूड कंपोनेंट्स की न्यूट्रिशन ब्लड वेसल्स में जा चुके हैं. ब्लड वेसल्स के थ्रू वो कहाँ पे ट्रांसपोर्ट हो रहा है? दैट विल बी ट्रांसपोर्टेड बाय द ब्लड वेसल्स टू डिफरेंट ऑर्गन्स, cells and tissues. These tissue cells utilize the simpler components of food. Okay, these tissues and cells, what they are you doing? They are utilize the simpler components of food to build complex substance such as protein. This process is known as assimilation. Okay, this process is known as assimilation. Just a minute. Okay, just continue. The next topic, that is digestion. That is digestion. First we had talked about digestion. That means the complex component food then when turn into simpler components, that is digestion. Ingestion, that means whenever we are putting the food first of all in our mouth, that means buccal cavity, वहीं से food process, digestion process start होता है, and that process is known as ingestion. Then we talked about absorption, the passage where food is digested into vessels. Then we talked about assimilation. That means जो food absorb हुआ by the process of absorption, the food which is absorbed by our small intestine, that will produce energy and growth. That process is known as assimilation. Next is digestion, the removal of undigested and unabsorbed food material called facial material that through the anus from time to time is called egestion. Okay, ingestion, that means intake of food, egestion means outgoing of food, right? Or we can say removal of undigested and unabsorbed food material. ऑब्वियस हमारी बॉडी में जो भी अनडाइजेस्ट फूड रह गया और अनअब्जॉर्ब्ड हमारी बॉडी के थ्रू मटेरियल हुआ, दैट शुड बी मूव आउट, है ना. और दैट विल बी मूव आउट थ्रू दी एनस फ्रॉम टाइम टू टाइम. That process is known as egestion. Okay, next is written amino acid. Amino acids are the building blocks. Okay, amino acids are the building blocks. That means they are very smallest units which combine the form complex molecules in like protein. Fine. Next is buccal cavity, the cavity of mouth with all its internal parts. See, that means what is the buccal cavity? Buccal cavity is a mouth only, है ना. Mouth जिसमें सारे parts internal parts भी include है, like cheek, teeth, tongue and salivary glands. These all are the parts of buccal cavity. And buccal cavity, that means the cavity of mouth where these all internal organs are also located. Okay, like cheeks, teeth, salivary glands, tongue, these all are included in buccal cavity. And buccal cavity is start from mouth. The alimentary canal, digestive tract begin from the buccal cavity. Okay, clear? The alimentary canal, that means digestive system, जो हमारा digestive tract है, that is start from buccal cavity, that means mouth. So we can say what is buccal cavity? It is the another name of mouth where all internal parts are also included. Next point which is mentioned here, that is cellulose. Okay, so what is cellulose? It is a type of carbohydrate. Many animals including humans cannot digest cellulose. In chapter number 8 we have already discussed regarding cells, है ना. तो cells में where we discuss about the cellulose wall, cellular cell wall is present in only animals, only some of animals, not all. So they have herbivorous animals, the animals, herbivorous animals in their body, that type of cells, that cellular wall is cellular wall is present in their body. Due to this wall, due to these type of cells, they are able to break down of cellulose. Okay, but if in our case, if we talk about human being, it is absent in our body. Okay, this type of cells are absent in our body. Next is fatty acids. They are one of the main constituents of fats. Fatty acids are glycerol combined to form fats. Sorry, just a minute. Yes. Next topic, that is fatty acid, glycerol, and next is bile. Bile, it is a juice. Okay, it is bile juice which is commonly known as bile. Okay, what is the bile? Bile is a juice, type of juice which is known as bile. It is secreted by the liver. It is secreted by the liver and stored in a sac called gallbladder. Okay, bile is a kind of a juice which is known as bile. It is secreted, the liver is the main part of the body where bile juice is secreted and stored in a sac, that is known, the sac is known as gallbladder. Okay, I think you are able to see, this is the figure of liver. Fine, liver. Here pancreas is also given, later on we will discuss about it. This is the esophagus, the alimentary canal, the alimentary tract where from where started. This is the right side and the left side, liver. Then bile duct, okay, and pancreatic duct. Pancreas release pancreatic duct and liver produce bile duct. Okay, so this is a figure of liver. So here we can see the liver is a reddish brown gland. Okay, liver is a reddish brown gland situated in the upper part of abdomen. Fine, abdomen के upper part में ये located होता है on the right side. It is the largest gland in the body. हमारी body का सबसे large gland is known as liver. It secretes bile juice which plays the important role in the digestion of fats. Okay, bile juice का क्या काम है? It secretes the bile juice. That means we can say the liver is the part where bile juice is secreted, and it is also stored by the liver only in the form of sac, and that sac is known as gallbladder. Or we can say it is the largest gland in the body. It secretes bile juice which plays the important role in the digestion of fats. So we can say in this part of our body, digestion in fats of the digestion will complete in this part only. Okay, second thing, one more thing that I want to discuss, carbohydrate that is digested by only in buccal cavity. Okay, buccal cavity में carbohydrate that is a component of food जिसका वहीं पे डाइजेशन स्टार्ट हो जाता है कार्बोहाइड्रेट का, एंड लिवर में किसका डाइजेशन होता है? दैट इज फैट्स. फैट इज ऑल्सो अ कंपोनेंट ऑफ फूड. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ दिस चैप्टर, दैट इज esophagus. Okay, that is esophagus. So here we can say esophagus. Okay, we are writing oesophagus, but in phonic sound we used to say esophagus. It is also known as food pipe. Okay, just now we have talked about this is the part that is known as esophagus, and in another words we can say this is the food pipe. Okay, it is also known as food pipe. Fine. The swallowed food passes into the swallowed food passes into the esophagus, which runs along the neck and the chest. Okay, what is what is work of from esophagus? It is known as food pipe. और यहीं से food का passes होता है esophagus से, और वो run करता हुआ कहाँ से pass out होता है? That will pass out through neck and the chest. Food is pushed down by the movement of walls of food pipe. This movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal to push the food forward. डाउनवर्ड. फूड को डाउनवर्ड थ्रो करने का काम भी किसके थ्रू होता है? दैट इज ऑल्सो वेयर इज ऑल्सो हेल्पफुल इज ईसोफेगस ओनली. और एलिमेंट्री किनाल के थ्रू फूड को पुश डाउन करने का काम भी ईसोफेगस के थ्रू होता है. इजंट इट? दैट मीन्स हम जो फूड ईट कर रहे हैं, जो ईसोफेगस से थ्रू आउट होता हुआ नेक और चेस्ट कैविटी से थ्रू रन होता हुआ आगे जो मूव कर रहा है, सो ये मूव भी किसकी हेल्प से हो रहा है? वॉल्स ऑफ द food pipe. Okay, this food is pushed down by the movement of the walls of food pipe. This movement takes place throughout the alimentary canal to push the food downward. Okay, that means उस किनाल में क्या होता है? इलास्टिशन, कॉन्ट्रैक्शन है ना. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन के कारण फूड धीरे धीरे नीचे पुश्ड डाउन होता जाता है. And this is the part where no enzyme is secreted. Okay, this is the part here no enzyme process is secreted. So digestion will not occur here. यहाँ पे digestion process नहीं हो सकता because यहाँ पे कोई भी enzyme secret नहीं होता है. And food को digest करने के लिए different type of juices, enzyme and different acids are needed. Okay, but in this food pipe, in this alimentary canal, no food digestion process can be possible because here no any glands, any salivary enzymes and acids would not be released. Next is that is known as pancreas. Okay, here the figure is given of the liver. We will discuss about the pancreas. So we can see the pancreas is a large creamy colored gland located just below the stomach. Okay, as you are able to see, it is located just below the stomach and it is cream colored. Okay, cream colored gland. This is also a gland just below the stomach. The pancreatic juice contains enzyme which help in the digestion. Already we have discussed pancreas releases enzymes and which are the helpful in the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. These all in digestion of proteins, fats and carbohydrates. This is the pancreatic juices are also very much helpful. They are playing important role in digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So we can say with the help of pancreatic juices, due to they containing enzymes, and with the help of these enzymes they are helpful in the digestion of carbohydrates, fats and proteins. Fine. So till here we are going to complete this video lecture. Hope so you all have understood. In next video lecture we will discuss some other points of this chapter and then we will move for question answers. Till that, take care. Goodbye.